द्वारेशः नवरन्ध्रगः हृदीगुः वास्तुर्गणेशो महान् शब्दाजः गुरुवास्वीरुदशिकम् तादाहरिशक्त्यात्मकम् चिद्देवहोत्रीमर्षिशक्तिसहितः षाड्गुण्यमङ्गावलीः लोकेशः कर्णानि यस्य महिमा तं नेत्रनाथं स्तुमः विदलति बहुधौर्गत्यम् मोक्ष्यश्रीश्रैति हृत्कजं कचितिः प्रसरति परमानन्दो यत्र तदीशार्चनं जयति. I go to that Netranatha. Netranatha means who is Nathite Abhilashyate Itanatha. Nathite et Abhilashyate. Who is fond of third eye. Who is always desiring for third eye. That is Netranatha. I go to that Netranatha, that's Amriteshwar. It is one form of Lord Shiva, Netranatha. But predominance is there for third eye. Third eye is it produces nectar. It does not produce only fire. It produced fire only when Lord of Love was to be burnt. Otherwise it produces always nectar, that third eye. Who is fond of that third eye, I go to him. Yesi Mahima. Now, whose Mahima means great glamour, whose glamour of his body is as follows. Dwaresha Navarandragha. Dwaresha, there are Navarandra, 9 openings of the body. Generally we see there are 9 openings of the body. One is opening and the other is organ. For instance, there is organ of eye. It is not organ of eye, it is the opening of organ of eye. Organ of eye is something else. This is not organ of air. This is opening of that organ of air. This is opening of organ of that nose. In the same way, this twacha is the opening of all this. They are opening. These openings are 9 in body. Actually, in each and every body there are 9 openings. Those are called Navarandraga. His 9 openings are, because as he has not this kind of body, but he has body. He has body with 9 openings. Those 9 openings will indicate Dwarapal, 9 Dwarapal, 9 doorkeepers of his body. These are 9 doorkeepers of his body. 9 doorkeepers of 9 openings of his body. Actually, he has not these openings as we have. Whose 9 openings are 9 doorkeepers. Doorkeepers means these are the incarnation 9 incarnations of Ganesha. Ganesha is Dwaresh. Doorkeeper of Lord Shiva is Ganesha. So, doorkeeper of his body are 9 incarnations of Ganesha, Dwaresha. Hradego Vastur, Ganesho Mahan. And real Ganesha, his his Ganapati, his son, is Hridayo in his heart. He is the indication of his heart. He has no heart. Lord Shiva has not this heart. But in place of heart, he has Ganesha. Ganesha means his son. And who is Vastur? Vastur means director of Vastu Devatas. Vastu Devatas are 100 in number, 100 gods. He is the director of 100 gods, this Ganesha. And he resides in his heart. Whose heart? Lord Shiva's, Amriteshwara's heart. Shabda Adya Gurava. Now, in place of Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras and Gandh, these five sensations of senses. Shabd. Shabd means sound. Sparsh means touch. Roop means form. Ras means taste. Gandh means smell. In his body, in his universal body, these Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh are not actually Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh. Because he is not hearing, he is not seeing, he is not touching, he has nothing to do with this. But in place of these Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh are Gurva, five incarnations of masters. There are five sections of masters. 5 sections of masters indicate in his body Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras and Gandh. And these masters are Charya Siddh. Charya Siddh is the first section of masters. Charya Siddh. The second is Melapa Siddh. Third is Yoga Siddh. Fourth are Shakti Siddh, and fifth section is Shambhav Siddh. These are 5 sections of 5 masters. They are not 5 masters. They are many. They are many.
Classes of masters.
Yes, they are classes. First section of masters is Charya Siddh. Charya is that kind of action by which you enter in God consciousness. For instance, you smell, you taste, whatever you do, you will be directed in God consciousness. That is Charya. That is the way how Charya is working in the supreme body of Lord Shiva. That is Charya. Second is, it will go to Shabda. It will go in place of Shabda, Charya. Then Sparsha will go in Melapa. Melapa means union of Siddha and Yoginis. When Siddhas and Yoginis are united, it becomes Melapa. Melapa means union of both sexes, both supreme, super sexes. That is Shakti and Shiva is united there. That is called Melapa Siddha. Those Melapa Siddha will go to Sparsha. Respectively. Do you understand?
Yes.
And then Rupa. Rupa will go to Yoga Siddha because it is one-pointedness. Rupa is one-pointed. So he has connected it with Yoga Siddha. Yoga Siddha, those Siddhas who have become, who have achieved that state of God consciousness by yoga, by yoga. It will go to Rupa, and Rasa will go to Shakti Siddha. Shakti Siddha who are absolutely merged in Shaktopaya, all round Shaktopaya. Those Siddhas are who have mastered Shaktopaya. Those masters are called Shakti Siddhas. And it will go to Rasa. And Shambhav Siddha is just smell. Smell is just recognition. Smell indicates recognition. When you recognize your own nature, that is Shambhav Siddha. Those masters are Shambhav Siddha who just are established in the cycle of Pratibhigya, recognition. So Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras and Gandh. These are in place of these Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras and Gandh in his body, in his spiritual body, whose Amriteshwara, Lord Shiva's spiritual body. These are masters which indicate Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras and Gandh. Shabdadya Gurva. Samir Dashikam Tadar Shakti Atmakam. Adar Shakti. Adar Shakti means that energy of Kundalini, which is residing in Muladhara Chakra. In Muladhara Chakra, in his Muladhara Chakra, in Lord Shiva's. It is not this breath. This is not the formation of breath there. For whom? Not for us. For us, it is formation of breath. When Kundalini rises, it takes the formation of breath, breathing, inner breath. But for him, it is Samir Dashikam. Samir Dashikam in cosmical, in this whole universe, you will see 10 layers of Vayupats. One layer, over it another layer. In this whole universe, there are 10 layers, and it has got separate formation and separate action. This layer is first layer in which we are situated, and these are called Dash Vayupat. These are Vayupat, the layers of Vayu. Different types of these Vayus are situated in this universe, in this ether.
Does this have correspondence then, sir, with the 10 breaths?
Yes, it will go to 10 breaths. 10 breaths you will see in 5th Anika. 5th Anika of Tantra Loka. It is written there in commentary by Jayaratham. It is just example. It is not mool shloka. Samir Dashikam, this Samir Dashika is this Muladhara, whose Lord Shiva's in the body of Lord Shiva. And Chiddevotha Vimarshi Shakti Sayata. Chiddeva, Deva means Lord of consciousness, who is always united with his energy of consciousness. He is Lord Shiva. Actually, he is Lord Shiva. Chiddeva Vimarshi Shakti Sayata. And his Shad Gunyam. Shad Gunyam, 6 limbs. 6 limbs of his body. 6 limbs means 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 this and 1 head. These are 6 limbs. We have got these 6 limbs, but he has, in place of these 6 limbs, his body has Shad Gunyam, Sarvajyata, Trafti, Anadibodha, Swatantrata, Nityam Alafta Shakti, Ananta Shakti. These are his limbs of body. Sarvajyata, all knowledge. This is first limb. Trafti, always full, without any desire. This is second limb. Sarvagita Trafti Anadibodha. His knowledge is eternal. This is third limb. Swatantrata, absolute freedom. This is which? Fourth. Nityam Alufta Shakti. He never gets exhausted. His energy is always full, in full being. This is fifth limb. And Ananta Shakti. And in spite of this, all these great things, he has got Ananta Shakti, numberless energies. That is the sixth limb. These are his 6 limbs of his body. Shadgunyam Angavali, Lokesha Karnani. Now his internal organs, not openings, now internal organs. That is organ of sense, organ of cognition and organ of action. Karmendriyas and Jnanendriyas. Actually, Indriyas are not these, because in a dead body, Indriya is there, but it has no capacity to see. In dead body, this Indriya has no capacity to smell. That smelling agency is from inside, and that is in fact, that is organ. That organs are gone. Organs have passed away from these openings. From these openings, they have passed away at the time of death. So, in his body, Lokesha Karnani, Lokapal means those who protect all this world from all sides. There are 10 sides in this universe. In 118 worlds, there are 10 sides. One is east. From east side, Lokapala is Indra. This is first side. From this corner, Lokapala is Agni, Lord Agni. So this is second Lokapala. And from this side, Lokapala is Yama. And this side, Lokapala is Nairati. From this western side, there is Lokapala of Varuna. And this side, this corner, Lokapala is Vayu, Vayu Devata. And this side, Lokapala is Kuber Devata. And this corner, Lokapala is protector of Lokas, is Lord Shiva. And from above there is Brahma, Lokapala. From below there is Lokapala Vishnu. These are 10 Lokapalas. 10 Lokapalas are in place of his 10 these Indriyas. And this is the glamour of his body, and I bow to that Lord Shiva. Dharesha Navarandra Hridayo Vastur Ganesho Mahan Shabdaja Gurvasamir Dashikam Tadhar Shatyatmakam Chiddevuhothi Marshi Shakti Saida Shadgunya Mahangavali Lokesha Karnani Yasya Mahima Tam Netranaha Tam Spumam